Hello and welcome back. In this lecture I'm going to briefly explain to you what or search engine optimization actually is. So let's get straight into it. As SEO or search engine optimization is the name given to the activity that attempts to improve search engine rankings. This means that the more work you put into a SEO, the higher your website will appear in search results and search engines like Google or Yahoo. Why is search engine optimization so essential? A SEO is essential because the majority of search engine users are more likely to click one of the top 5 suggestions in the search results. So to take advantage of this and gain visitors to your website or customers to online store, you need to get into the top positions. Users trust search engines, and having a presence in the top positions for the key was the users searching increases the website's trust. The show is fantastic for social promotion of your website. People who find your website by searching Google or Yahoo or any other search engine are more likely to promote it on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+ or any other social media network. SEO can put you ahead of the competition. If 2 websites are selling the same thing, the optimized website is more likely to have the customers make more sales. Here's a simple 1-to free guide to the basics of SEO. Write fantastic useful content that uses words and phrases used by people who search for your products and services. Make it easy for people to share and link to it. And finally, keep doing it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Video course.